Very nice. Thank you for helping. When you're one, you can stand on top of your party table.
It's easy.
Don't realize how hard it is.
Hey! Hey! Please excuse me. Please excuse my dear. There you go.
Azzy, give Henny a kiss.
Thank you. Oh, I just stepped on your foot. I hate crutches.
What happened at?
You want to sit here?
It doesn't matter. I was gonna get some of that.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Awesome.
I'll get my pencil.
She's scooting on her hiney.
Hey!
Stop it.
Hey, cutie. Where are you going?
Oh, man.
Where are you going?
Nice shot of Dave. You can vacuum it. Azzy!
Oh, it's just a.
I think there's a dog bowl right Get the balloons! Right there. There's some water in there. Ooh! Woo! Okay, you guys can take whatever. It's ready. Get it, Azzy! Get the balloon! Woo! And this is Hawaiian punch. Ooh! Do another one. Good job, Mommy. She's. Woo! Oh, you got the dog bone? Nice. Do your balloons.
Look at Henny. Balloon on top.
We love him. I don't know why. Behind you, Fred. Ever since I did the thing, she's so scared.
Mommy, you have to try this. Oh, wait, check the frosting.
You gonna give Henny a kiss?
I'm just gonna let you go.
Kelsey, she's trying to love Henny.
Say hi, Henny. Henny's a good girl.
If anybody wants to Good job, Indy. You got your hat on by yourself? What are you looking for? Watch Fido so you don't knock him over. To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Aspen, happy birthday to you.
Blow it out.
Make a mess.
I'm just gonna kneel.
Come stand. You say right in front of her.
I'm just gonna take a video because it's better than a picture.
Well, how are you gonna take a picture of this? Watch. Okay.
That cardboard might fall.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Go ahead. Try it.
So pretty.
I know.
Yeah, right? It was.
She's like doing it just a little bit.
That's like what Amy did. She just played with it.
Oh, there we go.
She's getting deeper and deeper. Her hair looks so funny.
Yeah.
Tuck your head.
Yum.
Tuck your head into it.
Look, watch. Look, there's cake in there.
Put it in your mouth. Look at it. Mmm. Yeah, now
Alright,
she.
now I'll do it.
Oh boy.
Alright. Give it like a half an hour, that cake will be gone.
Uh-oh.
What do you got? Nice. That was the first balloon.
Daisy jumped too.
Okay. Hey.
She's like, shake your head down. Yeah, there you go.
Done?
I was waiting for her hand to go like running through her hair. I was like,
Oh.
Wait, come here, show mommy.
Come on, let's show mommy.
Wait,
You look like an alien.
wait, come here, show mommy.
Come on, let's show mommy.
Bye, alien.
I'm a robot unicorn alien.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I
Ready for a bath?
She probably needs to eat too.
Yeah.
What is going on over here?
Pick me up now. Gosh.
Hey! On top of your head. Uh-oh. Ooh. Say, hey, YouTube, I'm riding a rhino. Say, happy birthday, Aspen. Aw, you're so sweet. Azzy's just going to town on gummies. Whoa, baby. Good acting. Say somewhere out there. Tell the zebra. Say somewhere out there.
It's my family.
Tell the zebra, you're never gonna forget this. Whoa, backwards. The party was a success, even though this mama was greasy and I didn't get to get a shower, but so cute. Hey, look. Look. Daisy's being so good. She literally hasn't moved. Daisy. After party madness. about to get it on video. And we're back to the morning ends. But the party was a success, and a couple clips at the end I added in of the girls' little photo shoot when I dressed them in the similar dresses. That's why Indy's in like 3 outfits. But yeah, so if you like our vlogs and you aren't subscribed and you would like to subscribe, you can do that. And thank you so much if this is your first time watching for coming to our channel and sharing Azzy's first birthday with us. You can't see her because this weird light. But yeah, so we had a blast and it was super cute, and I'm gonna make a video on like how I decorated, the way I decorated, like how to plan a birthday party. So stay tuned for that if you liked the party and the decorations, and I'll be leaving the name of the company down below and stuff. So actually, I'll leave the name of the company in the how-to video, not on this video, if that makes sense. Okay. All right. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Wave bye.
Bye. Can I hit the screen?
Yep. Go ahead. Bye. Right here.
Oh, we did? Okay.
Bye.